Is block construction better than wood frame? We're gonna talk about that myth right now. Guys, after doing this for 20 years, I've come to the conclusion that there's no distinction when it comes to your tenant, whether your property is wood frame or block, as long as it's in good shape, in a desirable area, and the tenant is happy with it, you're gonna do well. Perfect example, guys, there's some areas, historic areas here in the Tampa Bay area, like Ybor City, Seminole Heights, Hyde Park, where people actually pay a premium for wood frame. So it all depends on the area and the style of the neighborhood. Guys, after 20 years of doing this, there's a lot of advantages and disadvantages that I learned through the years by buying wood frame versus block. One of the main advantages that I like is the fact that the crawl space on a wood frame home allows you to fix plumbing issues a lot easier and some electrical issues a lot easier. So to me, that's been a difference between having to drill on concrete for a plumbing issue and spend thousands of dollars to just doing it for hundreds of dollars. So that's one of the benefits. Of course, one of the biggest disadvantages of doing wood frame are termites. Even though some people argue that termites can be found even on block homes because most of the foundation for the roof is also wood frame. So at the end, you have to weigh your options. There's advantages and disadvantages of owning wood frame versus block, but to me, it's all about the return. And if you could find the property cheaper, wood frame foundation is good, go for it. Guys, this is my conclusion. As long as the foundation of the wood frame property is in good shape, you're gonna do well. Okay, and the cherry on the cake is that probably that property is gonna be cheaper than the block home next door to it. So my advice is go for it. This is an approved strategy for me, and don't be afraid of wood frame properties. As always, if you like these videos, you enjoy the videos, please subscribe, hit the notification button. We do this because we love real estate, and we know you do as well. We're gonna continue giving you tips. We're gonna learn through the process. You're gonna learn with us, and you're gonna become a better investor. This is Jorge with Greystone Investment Group, where you invest and we do the rest. Thank you.